Does auto insurance cover potholes or cracked windshields? If you have the correct kind of coverage, the answer is yes. The law, however, only requires liability coverage, so it's important to understand your own policy's limits. In terms of a cracked windshield, optional collision, comprehensive, or glass coverage can cover repairs. Collision coverage handles damage from colliding with other cars or inanimate objects. Comprehensive coverage handles damage to your car from causes other than a collision. If your policy terms exclude windshield repair, special glass coverage can also be purchased. Damage from potholes, on the other hand, is included only if you carry collision coverage. Repair costs can add up with pothole damage, and you're unlikely to be reimbursed by the town or state responsible for road maintenance, so you'll be glad to have collision coverage if you encounter a pothole. While cracked windshields and potholes aren't always avoidable, the right car insurance can help with expensive repairs. Work with a trusted choice independent agent for a clear explanation of your auto policy options. Your local agent can shop for quotes, break down all the details, add additional coverage, and even check for available discounts. Be independent. Go independent.